Hi, I'm Jake from Roasty Coffee, and today we're going to be talking about the Moccamaster KBGV, which is a super popular coffee maker, but my goal today isn't to show you every single little thing that it does, but I want to quickly give you the highlights on why people love this thing so much. So first of all, you'll notice the color. This one is pistachio, I believe they call it, but it comes in a variety of colors, so it looks beautiful. It's like a piece of art on your countertop, which is super cool, but it also makes an excellent cup of coffee, which is what it's really all about. This particular model brews up to 40 ounces of coffee, so I've got it set to make about 4 cups, which I think is around 16 ounces according to their measurements. So I've got it set to go with that, which they say is about the minimum that you want to brew there. So overall, you've got the water reservoir, as you can see, and then it's got the brewing arm that does kind of a pour over sort of functionality on this. So that's kind of the magic of this thing. And then it also brews by the SCA Standard, which what that means for you is that the consistency of the temperature is going to be between 196 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's going to be about a 4 to 6 minute brew time every single time. So whether you're doing kind of a half carafe or a full carafe, it's going to have just a very consistent brewing process, which means that you're going to get a very consistent cup of coffee every single day. And so that's one of the reasons that people love it. So as far as how to operate it, it's actually super simple. So on the front, you've only got a couple of buttons. Once you plug this thing in, you can switch it on, of course, and then it'll kind of kick up and start. And then you've also got this option here where you can click back and forth between whether you're doing a full or a half carafe. And that just sort of lets it know about, how quickly do you use the water and some of the things that are going on behind the scenes. By telling it what you're doing, it's going to enable it to dial in that brew just a little bit more. So then it comes with, obviously, the coffee pot that you see here. And the whole setup as it is, it does use a cone-shaped style filter, so a number 4 size cone filter that you're going to use for this. So we're basically just going to get our coffee grounds ready and go ahead and brew up a cup of this and see how it goes. All right, so our coffee just finished brewing. It took just over 4 minutes. I held a timer on my phone. As you saw, the water basically just starts boiling and kind of bubbles up through the tube. So it looks super cool when it's happening. And that sort of drips out. We left the lid off for you just so you could kind of see the shower head that sort of saturates the grounds pretty evenly to give a pour over style effect, which is part of the reason that people just rave about the flavor of Moccamaster coffee. So I'm really excited to try it. But overall it went pretty much as expected, here on the first brew. So I was just gonna set the lid back on here and then pour myself just a small cup. It's very good coffee, it's excellent. I actually just made the same exact coffee with a Breville Precision Brewer, which you can check out that video as well. Very similar. This may be a little bit better in my opinion, but it's excellent coffee. Also has a warming plate on it. Just wanted to point that out, that'll stay on for 100 minutes after the brew, and that will keep the coffee warm without burning it. Which is a nice feature of the Moccamaster as well. Obviously the machine looks beautiful. It makes excellent coffee, but it also comes with a 5-year warranty. So these things are made in the Netherlands. Clearly they stand behind the product, so it's meant to last over the long haul. They say on their site that they'll repair any machine for life. And so I think that's one of the reasons why you see people that own this machine or a different version of this machine that are just crazy about it, because it makes excellent coffee and it's gonna last a really, really long time. So truly you can't go wrong with this thing. If you're interested in it, be sure to check out the link below, or you can watch some of our other videos where we compare it to some high-end drip machines as well. But overall, I hope this was helpful and gives you a little bit of a sense of what you're getting into with the Moccamaster. Thanks for watching.